Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm sorry, I tried really hard to be fast. Okay, before I forget, this is going to be the shortest part 2. Be sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and leave a comment if you have ever shopped from this particular store, Country Craft Creations, and I will list that link below. Please go by, tell them I sent you, and if you end up getting anything from them, send me a message. Let me know what you found, what treasure you found. So I have 3 different orders here. I will film 3 now. I have one that is en route and another one that is still coming. So because I ordered some things that were coming, they were going to be released at the end of the month of May, and now we're like tomorrow, Monday, we're June 1st. So hopefully those are en route. But anyways, I love these. These are so vintagey and gorgeous, and I rushed through this one as well. Aren't they just gorgeous? I mean, ugh, they're beautiful. So, and like I said, my daughter-in-law, they have a puppy. They have a dog. Her name is Ella, and Miss Ella is beautiful, and she's the best behaved dog you've ever seen. You've seen, they had her run an obstacle course through markers during during we were all shut in and everything. So anyway, she's an amazing dog. I really, really like Ella. Ella is very special. So I'm going to make my daughter-in-law for her birthday in December a little something with all this. So, so if you're listening to this, it's too late, but don't watch this video, okay? You don't know what I'm going to make. All right, friends. Whew, that was a lot of fast talking, and probably not fast enough. So the first time I videoed it, I definitely didn't get cut off, but this time I did, and that's okay. It's just it's a pleasure to support small business, and it is a pleasure to find something to bring to you guys until I can get to Tuesday morning. And look if you're at your Tuesday morning, look for things like this, because this is exactly, they don't do the individual pages, but they definitely put out the paper pads, the cards, everything. You can find a lot of this at Tuesday morning. So hopefully our Tuesday morning will be back up and running soon. Okay, friends, I'm going to let you go. Whew. Pete and Repeat got in a boat. One fell out. Pete fell out. Who was left? Repeat. That's what I feel like today was. It was a film everything. And this particular video I filmed like 3 times already because my husband kept calling me. And I gotta tell you, I'm so glad to have gotten this redone. Now I'm going to walk in there and pray that it's going to upload. And I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a delight to be back. It was good to take a break when I wasn't doing well health-wise, but I'm so glad to be back. And I'm glad that we're on the Monday through Friday schedule right now. That is really good. I know that many of you said that gives time to catch up, so I agree. I totally agree. So, okay, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Come on back. Come see the projects I'm going to make with this. I'm super excited. This one is going to be my first project. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to bump y'all. This is going to be my first project. So that's going to be for my husband. He has a summer birthday, so I'm going to get that done. So, okay, friends. If I didn't say it already, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you for staying with me even through the second video. You are a trooper. I so appreciate you. And pardon me, like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell. Excuse me just a moment. I bring tea in here and I just start videoing, and about whatever the 5th video I can't talk anymore. So I had to take a sip of tea, excuse me. Iced tea. But like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me if you've been to this site, or tell me if you go to their website and you find any treasures. Tell me what you found and how you're gonna use it. I'd love to hear from you guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Ooh, we've already got our little critters. Guys, it is summer here, and I'm telling you what, we have got a bazillion mosquitoes and bugs and all kinds of stuff. So I am ready for that to... Anyways, okay. And we got our diatomaceous earth. We're going to set that out and try to keep it, healthy and organic and all that. Okay, friends, I'm going to let you go. I'll be talking to you soon. No matter what, just know God loves you, and He has such a great plan for your life. And how can you bless somebody today? What can you make to bless somebody else? Okay, friends. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.